And welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rapiana, and today I have this very pretty voluminous everyday wig unit. This is 100% glueless, you guys, and let's just go ahead and get into the specs of this wig. So this was sent from Beautyforever hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. As always, they sent over their real scalp wig with a 13x4 HT lace frontal and 24 inches, and I have it in a body wave texture. So as you guys could see, it's pre-parted, pre-plugged, pre-bleached, pre-styled, and it also came with this roller here. For the bang area, I do have a face framing curtain bang wig that I'm reviewing for you guys today, and this one also has adhesive tape. So I did go in with some alcohol, because if you don't and you have makeup around your hairline, the adhesive tape is not going to stick, you guys. So just a quick little tip, make sure that you're going around your hairline with some alcohol to remove your makeup. Also, I do use my tweezers, the other end of my tweezers, to, make sure that the adhesive tape is sticking. And I just don't want to get any oils or anything on my fingers while, playing around with the tape. So yeah, anyways, I'm just going in and making sure I go with my foundation and cover that tape over at the top, and let's just go ahead and get to combing through this hair. So I'm using a wide tooth comb. As you guys could see, this hair, it looks very, very nice, like very nice. I'm combing straight through it with the wide tooth comb. There's no kinks. It's also layered very beautifully. So if you are a girl who is just not really into straight hair, you like volume like me, you guys should definitely try out, the face framing curtain bang wig units, especially this one. This one is just pre-everything. The scalp on this is amazing, you guys. I'm loving that they're putting the fabric underneath the lace frontals these days, because they actually look really, really natural, especially like if I'm comparing it to like back in the day when they used to do this. But they definitely got it right, and it looks really natural. So you cannot even tell that there's fabric underneath, and I love that. Very luxurious looking hair. It's very natural looking, you guys, and again, you do not have to spend a lot of time on this wig unit at all. So again, for my lazy girls who just like volume, straight out the box wigs, this one is definitely for you. I also went in and did a flip over method with this wig unit today. I'm just a dust over girl, so that's what I did. I showed that to you guys. I don't know, I just feel like the hair just wanted to be on the side, so I just made sure that I showed a flip over method with this wig unit. And then also, I believe I showed a claw clip updo little situation as well. But that's pretty much it, you guys. I absolutely love this wig unit. You can definitely go in and dye it if you want to. You can go in and straighten it, curl it, spiral curl it, whatever the case may be. You can even go in and cut it some more in the, bang area to actually give yourself a front bang. So very versatile in my opinion. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I have for you guys. Let me know what you think down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.